Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of small waist beads with a detailed review of a popular product on the market. If you've been looking for the perfect accessory to enhance your style this summer, stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know about these waist beads. These small waist beads are a must-have accessory for women looking to add a touch of elegance and cultural flair to their outfits. Crafted with care, they come in a set of 12, featuring a variety of vibrant colors and sizes ranging from 24 to 70 inches. Made from high-quality materials, these waist beads are handcrafted with stretchable elastic cord and adorned with glass beads. The design not only ensures durability but also flexibility, making them suitable for all body types. Beyond their primary use as waist beads, these versatile accessories can also be worn as bracelets or necklaces. Whether you're heading to the beach, a party, or a special event, they're designed to complement any occasion with style. Each bead is carefully chosen to offer a blend of comfort and aesthetic appeal. They are lightweight, ensuring ease of wear, and are crafted to be both fashionable and functional. When wearing, these waist beads not only add a unique touch to your outfit but also serve as a symbol of cultural heritage and personal style. They can be adjusted to fit comfortably around your waist or worn as a layered body chain for a trendy look. In conclusion, if you're in search of small waist beads that combine beauty, versatility, and quality craftsmanship, look no further. These beads offer everything you need to elevate your style effortlessly. If you're interested in adding these small waist beads to your jewelry collection, check out the link in the description below to get yours today. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.